Recently, I had the opportunity to talk to a couple of car dealerships about windshield repair and how it was working out for them. So let's jump right into it and hear what they had to say. Today, I got Samantha from Toyota of Southern California on the line, so let's get right to it. How long has your dealership been doing windshield repairs?
We've been doing repairs for about 3 years now.
On average, how many vehicles does your dealership see per day?
Our lube shop sees about 60 vehicles a day, and the service drive sees about 80.
Where do you perform the windshield repairs at your dealership?
We offer windshield repair in our lube shop, service drive, and our used car department does them.
What is the average number of repairs completed daily?
Between our lube shop and our service drive, we average 7 repairs a day, 6 days a week, and our used car department does about 15 repairs a month.
On average, what is the percentage of insurance versus cash repairs?
About 75% of our repairs are cash jobs, and we let customers know they can submit the receipt to their insurance company to get reimbursed.
Do you advertise windshield repairs? And if so, where?
Yes, on our website, social media, and throughout our dealership.
Last question for you. Would you recommend windshield repair to another dealership? And if so, why?
Yes, because our investment in the repair system was $850, and after our first full month doing it, we did 28 repairs at $65 per job, making about $1,800.
That's good stuff there. Low overhead, high returns. Samantha, I appreciate you for your time and for the insight and the hope, wish, and prayers that this helps other dealerships when they consider windshield repair. So appreciate you and take care.